In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide comments on Notion. Whether you're trying to streamline your Notion workspace or just want to minimize distractions, this guide will help you get there. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, tasks, and ideas, but sometimes the comments can clutter your view. So let's dive into how you can make them less visible. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to hide the comments. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you have the correct one open. It's important that you select the specific page that you're working on, as customization options may vary from one page to another. Once you're on the right page, look up towards the top right corner of the page interface. Here, you'll find three little dots. These dots denote the menu where you can access various settings for your page. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down, select Customize Page. Now you've entered the customization menu where you have a set of different features you can adjust to fit your preferences. Look through the options and find inline comments. It might be tempting to explore other options, but stay focused on finding the inline comments setting. This feature determines how comments appear within your document, and adjusting it will help you achieve a cleaner look. Next, click on Inline Comments. Once clicked, you're almost at the finish line. You'll see an arrow appear beside the option you just selected. This arrow usually indicates that there are additional settings or toggles that you can configure. Clicking on this arrow will bring up more detailed settings for handling comments. In this new set of options, look for the setting labeled Minimal. This option is crucial because when you select Minimal, Notion will display comments in a more subtle, less intrusive manner. Once you click on Minimal, you're essentially telling Notion to show comments in a lighter, less cluttered way. This can make your workspace look tidier and feel less overwhelming. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the comment settings and have hidden them in a more minimalist format. The subtle display should help reduce distractions while maintaining the ability for you to check comments whenever necessary. It's a simple change, but one that can greatly improve your workflow in Notion. Remember that the key to mastery, whether it's in Notion or any other tool, is customization that suits your unique style and needs. So feel free to explore other settings and continue to make your workspace work for you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.